Hey guys, what's up? Got this SSR SX50. I think the smallest bike that SSR makes. Honestly, they're kind of junk. This one has about 20 minutes so far. It's practically brand new. I've already had to replace the carburetor because the fuel petcock snapped on it and the pull string already broke. Anyway, get what you pay for, but I mean, for what you pay for them, it's not a bad deal, but they're really not that great. So anyway, let's do a top speed run, see what this thing can do. Whoops. I think I hit the kill switch. This thing will do burnout. Brakes are a little iffy on this thing, but I guess they need broken in. Well, there you go, 22 miles an hour. Sounded like it was gonna blow up too. Hey, we hit 24. Well, that's what 500 bucks gets you. 24 miles an hour. Well, not the fastest thing, but didn't blow up on us that time, so that's good.